boiled water, you can make this rosemary oil. Take a handful of rosemary, 2 cups of oil, place it in a pot, and you can boil it. Did not like that method, so what I did was I took my fresh rosemary, placed it in the jar, put the oil in there, and I'm using olive oil, a good grade of olive oil, and put it in the jar. I put it in boiling water, did like a water bath thing on it, just because I wanted to speed up the process. I did not want to wait 2 weeks or a week or a month or whatever, so I wanted to speed up the process. I did the same thing for dry. I put my dry rosemary in the jar, olive oil in the jar, and boiled it for 20 minutes. The other way, you could just take fresh rosemary or dry rosemary, boil it in the pot with water. If you want to save yourself some money, you don't want to invest in the olive oil, and boil the water, you put it in a spray bottle, and you have rosemary water. You can use it the same way you do the oil. It's just not greasy. It's not oily. Okay? So I told you, it was easy. It's fast. You can't mess this up.